Sign Out API allows you to easily embed e-signatures into your day-to-day workflows and complete entire document approval cycles in minutes. Upload documents with fillable fields, send documents for signing, check the status of a document, download signed documents to your device, and so on. The best way to get started with the Sign Out API is to create a developer sandbox account where you can test all the Sign Out API features for free. To register in the sandbox, submit your email address and follow the link in the email to activate your account. Then, click Add App to add your own application for testing. Before testing your first API call, you need to create a bearer token, an authentication code that identifies you as a user in the system. Open the Postman app, switch from Get to Post, specify the endpoint, set up the headers, and fill in your basic authorization token value. Fill in the username, password, grant type, and scope fields. The scope parameter defines what sort of a token you'll get along with its capabilities. Once finished, send your request. You'll get your bearer token and the system will identify you as a user. To ensure everything works properly, send another GET request using the bearer token you've created. Now that you've learned how to get started, sign up for a free trial with 250 free signature invites and start building your own e-signature integrations right away. Please find all the useful links in the video description and feel free to contact us anytime if you have any questions.